Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own bar enhancer. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button down below, and also remember to click the notification button so that you get notification for all the videos that I post. So what you need is an underwear, any type of underwear, depending type of shaper you want. You can use boy shorts if you want this type of enhancer. And you can also use this type of underwear if you want this type of enhancer. But so for me, I'm going to use this high-waisted underwear because I want this type of enhancer, because it will tuck in my tummy and just giving me that glass shaped figure. And you're also going to need a bra. So guys, this is just Sharon's factory. You know, I make shapewears and just make ladies look so amazing and beautiful and appreciate themselves. So what you're going to do, you're going to cut the caps and use it as your pads. These two are going to be our pads. Most of these enhancers, they use silicone, so for us we're going to use these pads. And guys, this is just a simple trick, anyone can do it. Yes, so guys, this is Sharon waniz industry stroke factory stroke manufacturer stroke blah blah blah. So like guys, you can see there's no difference between these two cups of mine and this shapewear here. These pads and then sew them on your underwear. And then guys, before you sew them, you want to try it on first and mark. I just stretch the caps and mark where you're going to sew them. So I tried with this black underwear and then marked where I was supposed to sew them. Turned my underwear inside out and just stitched the caps on the underwear. And then guys, I had marked where I was going to sew them. So that is how you're going to sew them. And then guys, there's one mistake I made. I actually sew the cap facing down instead of it facing up. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to sew this cap facing up like this. Like this. Make sure the cap is facing up like this, because you're sewing it when the underwear is inside out. I made a mistake and sewed the first cap facing down. The cap was facing down, which was a mistake. It was flat. Yes, it was flat, but it was not perfect as this second one where you saw the cap facing up. So you can see this is the mistake I made. The cap was facing down. So just sew the cap on the areas you've marked like this. Like guys, it really looks like a real enhancer, guys. Yeah, welcome to my factory, my stroke industry stroke. Yeah, so guys, like there's no difference between what I've made here and this other one that I saw online. And then I'm sewing this other cap, and remember I'm sewing it, the cap is facing up and not down. Yes, that's the mistake I made with the first cap. I'm sewing where I had already marked so that, you know, it fits. Yeah, so guys, like basically I think this is how they are made. And so guys, I was done with both of them, and then I want to turn it inside out and just see if it really looks like a real back enhancer. If you really don't have time to make these enhancers, guys, you can find them online: Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress. Just go online, you'll find them, and you wear them and feel good and look good. Yeah, when you look good, you feel good, right? But no pressure. It really looks like a bar enhancer, guys. Like, I've literally made a bar enhancer, and this is something you can do yourself. You can do it at home. Yes, instead of buying it online, you can just make your own.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed.
There's no difference between this and this here. It's just the same.
You're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do.
So let me try it on, and you can comment below if you really liked it or if you think it's work. But I just love the results, guys. I love the outcome. I'm just trying to weigh off the mark. And so guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel, and remember to click the notification button, guys, so that you get notifications for all the videos that I post. The before, which is not bad, it's just okay. You can see something going on there. That is the after, guys. Like, I just love it. The before was okay, but this after is just so awesome. Wow, guys, I really love this. And guys, remember, this is not something that you're supposed to wear every time, because you know, this is something you wear, feel comfortable, wear your dress, and then at the end of the day you have to take them off. So this is not something that you're supposed to wear on daily basis. Just wear once in a while. You want to wear that, you know, your favorite outfit, and you just want to look good. But this is not something you're supposed to wear every now and then, guys. Yeah, don't wear it like from Monday to Monday, because it won't, at the end of the day you're going to take it off. I felt like this enhancer was really exaggerated in this outfit because it was just too perfect. Like, my body was just too perfect. My tummy was really tucked in, and then my behind was just like lifted and looking so awesome. So I kind of felt it was really exaggerated in this dress, but I just loved it. So this is the before and the after, and guys, you can see the difference, and I just love what I'm seeing. Wow, guys, just look at that. Wow, I really love this. And so guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos on these hacks, I'll put the links down below, guys, and so you can go watch. And just show me some love, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And so guys, comment below if you think this video is really helpful, or you think if it's a hack. Just comment below. You'll make your own enhancer. And I tried it also in this skater dress and this other dress, and I just loved it. In this dress, it was not really exaggerated. So guys, if you want to look good in your favorite outfit, you can just do this hack and wear this enhancer once in a while. So those were the results from my YouTube channel, Factory Stroke Industry. Yeah, I just love this, guys.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking.
And so that was it, guys, for today. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, go on, just do what you do. Own it.